An FCT High Court has awarded the sum of 100 million in damages in favor of former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, over his prolonged detention without trial, which it declared a flagrant violation of his human rights. In the judgment on Monday, Justice Kayode Adeniyi also restrained the federal government and its agents from rearresting or detaining Emefiele without an order of the court. The judgment was given in a fundamental human rights suit filed by the former CBN governor challenging the prolonged detention in the custody of the Department of State Services. He asked the court to order the respondent to pay him 1 billion naira damages and to restrain them from further arresting or detaining him. The suit has the federal government, the Attorney General of the Federation, the FCC, and its chairman as defendants. The judge said the action of the first and fourth respondents and its agent incarcerating the applicants from June 13, 2023 to October 26, 2023, when he was transferred to the custody of the fourth respondent, and his further detention by the third and fourth respondent without arraignment in the court of law for the commission of any offense up till November 8, 2023. When by the order of this court, when the applicant was released on bail to his senior learned counsel, constitutes a flagrant violation of the applicant's fundamental rights to personal liberty preserved by the provisions section 35 of the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1979, and Article 6 of the African Charter on Human Rights and People's Rights. Meanwhile, the FCC has expressed dissatisfaction with the judgment, awarding 100 million naira damages against it in favor of a former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. The FCC spokesperson Dende Oyawande, who said this in a statement on Monday in Abuja, stated that the commission would appeal the judgment immediately. Oyawande said that Justice O.A. Adeniyi had on Monday fined the commission after he ruled that his detention of Emefiele in the course of his investigation was a violation of his right to liberty. The decision failed to take cognizance of the fact that the former CBN boss was held with a valid order of the court. Consequently, the commission will approach the Court of Appeal to set it aside, he said.
When it comes to release, especially damages, is within the discretion of the court, and that is what the court thought the applicant is entitled to, and that's what the court granted. The applicant should be okay. The applicant should be okay. It's a well-thought ruling, and the judge did a very, very good job. The court has been so emphatic on the points that he can no longer be rearrested unless there is an order of court, and we are very okay with that. If they feel that there's a need for them to arrest him, they should come before the court, obtain the order, and get him arrested. I believe he's going nowhere.